Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in his visit to West Bengal ahead of the assembly elections, said that the state was ready for Parivartan, that is development now. Your presence is sending a big message from here to Delhi. It is clear the state has made its decision for development and progress, Modi said at a public rally in Hooghly. He is also set to inaugurate several railway projects ahead of the upcoming assembly elections in the state. The Prime Minister said that all the countries that were successful in removing poverty, there was one thing in common: the development of modern infrastructure. According to him, the current state government had promoted appeasement politics in order to protect its vote bank and that people would not forgive them for it. In view of the rising COVID-19 cases, Maharashtra issued fresh restrictions in the state, banning religious, social and political gatherings from Monday. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray on Sunday called upon the people to follow the COVID-appropriate behavior and said that they should follow Me Jawabdar, that is, I am responsible campaign. In the war against the virus, there is no sword as yet, but face mask is the only shield. Vaccination has begun. Trials of 2 more vaccines are on. It is only after that common citizens will get doses, he said. In his televised address against the backdrop of the sudden surge in coronavirus cases, he said that the number of daily infection cases has risen from 2,500 to 7,000 within just 15 days. The body of Dadra and Nagar Haveli MP Mohan Delkar was found in suspicious condition at a South Mumbai hotel on Monday. The hotel staff alerted the police. Prima facie, it appears to be a case of suicide, the police said, as his body was hanging. His body was found in Hotel Sea Green on Marine Drive. The independent MP's body has been sent for post-mortem according to sources. A note written in Gujarati has been recovered from the spot. The Bombay High Court on Monday granted bail to activist Varavara Rao on medical grounds. Rao is accused in the Elgar Parishad case. He has been granted bail for a period of 6 months. The court has said that after that he should either surrender or apply for an extension. The bail is on condition that he must remain in Mumbai and be available for investigation. Varavara Rao was arrested in 2018 and has been in jail since. He contracted COVID-19 in July 2020 and has been in and out of hospital because of his health. Climate activist Disha Ravi, who was arrested for alleged involvement in sharing a toolkit backing the ongoing farmers' protest, was on Monday sent to a fresh one-day police custody in sedition case. A Delhi court allowed custodial interrogation of Ravi after police said she was required to be confronted with co-accused. Earlier in the day, Ravi, who is 22-year-old, was produced before Chief Metropolitan Magistrate Pankaj Sharma in Patiala House Court at the end of her 3-day judicial custody. The court on Friday had sent Ravi to judicial custody after police had said her custodial interrogation was not required for the time being. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing: that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.